Let's get going. Alright guys, I'm sure the caption said it all. We're gonna be cleaning today. We're gonna be cleaning up the kitchen. We might do some laundry, clean one of the bathrooms. I work best when I'm in a good mood, and of lately I just haven't been feeling myself. What the hell? And everybody in my house feels like I'm the helper. So they don't feel like they should do nothing. Oh my God. God. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Start with the dishes, guys. Why am I wasting the gloves? All right, let's wash the dishes. Dishes in this thing, sometimes I'll put them in the dishwasher to make it easier. I haven't even had breakfast as yet, but of course I couldn't get to making breakfast until I clean up the kitchen, so let me move this thing before it gets lost. Let's turn the dishwasher on. Oh God, you guys can't see what I'm doing. Washing. I need to. Oh shit. Is it working? Okay. I hate when I have so much things to do before breakfast, because I'm hungry literally when I wake up in the mornings. Some people will tell you that they're not a morning person, but the first thing I have to do when I wake up is eat before I can actually function. I'm sorry, but that's just me. Oh God. Looks like it's about to rain outside. actually planning on walking on the beach today. And these are the kind of things that pisses me off. This is food that my son has from yesterday. And it's like they expect me to take everything up. It's crazy, guys. I love avocados. I bought these avocados in BJ's, a whole bag. And it looks like they're not even good. But I'm not going to throw it out as yet, because I still have hope. This is spoiled. These are empty bottles, empty wine bottles that I plan on buying again. So I'm not throwing them out just yet, because I like them and I don't want to forget what's the name of it. So oh God. It's just kind of getting annoying now. The garbage bags. Put these somewhere else, because I hate seeing them like that. So we're washing the dishes and we're cleaning. Let's wash the pots. Thought I heard somebody coming inside. Let me close the door. They're always leaving the door open when they leave in the mornings. Alright. Probably do laundry today as well. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Why is it so hot? Hold on. The AC is turned all the way up. I was wondering why it's so hot. Now it makes sense. By the time I'm finished doing all of this, I probably don't even want breakfast again. I'm tired already, and I haven't even done much. Dang, I cannot find the stove cleaner. I don't know where they put it. Dang, 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 dang. Can't find the stove cleaner. I don't know where they put it. The hell? I wanted to show you guys what I used to clean the stove, but I cannot find it. I don't know, unless it's finished. I don't know. Maybe it's done. I don't know. already started, so I'll just use this. Why am I so strong? Acting like Hercules or something. Acting like Hercules. The stuff be spilling on the wall. Yeah. If you don't clean it, then it's just gonna start building up. The microwave tends to get greasy from all the cooking. Inside is already clean, pretty much. We're almost there. Need to get another hand towel. We're almost there. It's so dark outside. God, it's so dark outside. God, it's so dark outside. Oh shit. Wiggle that booty and wine for me. So Dre. Oh, shit. So crazy, you're driving me. And we're pretty much I need to wash the kettle, but we're pretty much done on this side, guys. It's water is still in the microwave, it's drying, but we're pretty much done on this side. The dishes is still washing. I'll take the garbage out in a minute, but yeah, mission accomplished for now. Well, we're almost there. Almost there. Oh my god, sorry about that, guys. Remember, I don't have a camera just yet. I'm still working on that, so I'm using my iPad to make my videos, so please just be patient. I just got up one day and said, okay, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel again. So I haven't really gotten around to buying another camera just yet. So I'm gonna do laundry when I'm finished making breakfast. So that's the other side, and we're pretty much done for now as it relates to the kitchen, guys.